How to clear the error message E014 on the Casio SE-C3500 cash register. E014 basically means the receipt paper's at an end and needs to be changed. So first of all, remove the printer casing. Gently lift up the platen arm by pulling from underneath. Remove any excess paper and then take your brand new thermal till roll, making sure to load the paper so the shiny side is facing down. Drop the paper into the printer well. Gently close the platen arm till it clicks into place. Replace the printer cover. Tear off the excess paper and you should find that the till is now ready to operate. For more information on the Casio SE-C3500, please visit shopstuff.co.uk.